Hi friends. This is Caesar from PS Tutelar. I am going to show you how to create colors stretch text effect, which looks like that. Before we begin, hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to press bell icon, so you will get notifications for new video. Let's get started. Click on Create New. Make width 1600, height 860. Resolution 72. Color mode RGB color 8-bit. Make background content black. Then click on Create. Click on this lock icon to unlock layer. Pick text tool and choose any font you like. Write any text you like. Need to align text in center. Press Ctrl and hold, then click on black layer. It will make selection of layer. Active text layer. Click on this icon to align horizontal center. And click on this icon to align vertical center. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Press and hold Shift key and drag text upwards. Pressing Shift kept text perfectly vertical. Click the icon upper right corner in Layers panel. Then click on Convert to Smart Object. Right-click on Layer and go to Blending Options. Check Gradient Overlay. Choose Multicolor Gradient. You can find this gradient in Legacy Gradients. Expand Color Harmonies 1 and choose this gradient. Click on OK. We can slide gradient inside text by dragging left or right. Adjust colors by your choice, then hit OK. Convert this layer to Smart Object as well. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Temporarily disable above layer. Active below layer. Go to Filter, Blur, and click on Motion Blur. Make distance 1500 pixels. And angle is 90 degrees, then press OK. Press Ctrl+J 5 times to make 5 duplicate layers. It will restore original color vibrancy. Press Shift and select all layers. Then convert to Smart Object. Create mask on this layer. Pick Gradient tool. Select Basic Black and White Gradient. Make sure Linear Gradient is checked. Go to bottom of document. Press and hold Shift key. Drag tool approximately half the way up. Repeat it second time. Convert this layer to Smart Object. Change blend mode from normal to dissolve. Reduce opacity to 80%. Active above layer and make mask on below layer. Zoom in document and pick rectangular marquee tool. Make selection above the text. Make sure foreground color is set to black. Press Alt plus Delete to fill it with black color. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. To mask out colors behind characters, pick Pencil tool. Make hardness 100% and size 30 pixels. Opacity is 100% and smoothing 10%. Draw over the colors we don't need. Keep drawing and remove extra colors. Now it looks like that. Active above layer and double click to open layer style. Check bevel and emboss. Style is inner bevel, technique is smooth. Depth is 50%, direction is up. Size is 1 pixel. Angle is 90 degree and altitude is 30. Highlight mode is screen with white color. Opacity is 75%. Shadow mode is multiply with black color. Opacity is 75%, then press OK. Select both layers and convert to Smart Object. Here is text effect in one layer. If you want to angle your text, press Ctrl plus T to open transform controls. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift and hold. Click on one corner and drag it up. Zoom out and drag it more up. Finally press Enter. And here is Final Colors text effect. I hope you like this text effect. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.